Hi, Sue Moore here, and today my question for you is, are you wondering how you can make outstanding gingerbread houses for the holidays? Well, let me give you a little background. I've been doing it for about 35 years, and there is a trick to putting the house together so it does not collapse. And so that's what I'm going to share with you today. So get your pen and pencil out because this is really going to be difficult. First of all, you start with a cake round, okay? And I'm a purist, so I usually make my own gingerbread houses. And for any of you who would like my construction gingerbread recipe, which is about 35 years old, private message me and I'll be happy to send it to you. But here's the trick. It's called caramelized sugar. So let's go over here. Now normally I use an electric fry pan to caramelize the sugar, but I didn't this time because we're just doing a little demonstration here. So this is just a fry pan with regular sugar in it. You turn it up so that the sugar melts and becomes caramelized. And what you do is, this is the back of the house, and you're going to dip it in the caramelized sugar and place it on your cake round, okay? Then you're going to take a side, and this is the side, and so you're going to dip the bottom and the side that's connected to the back of the house in the caramelized sugar, and you put that together, and there you go, okay? Then we'll do the same on the other side, like so. Put it in there, okay. And now we attach the front. Well, the front's going to be a little bit different because we can dip the bottom in, but we've got to be able to get some caramelized sugar on these sides. So what I do is just take a spoon like this and put a little sugar in there like so, and then dip it, and then put it on the sides. And you would continue doing that with the roof pieces, much like, let me turn this burner off, okay. Much like we did here, where you take the roof piece and put some sugar here and here and then hold the roof piece on. Now, here's the trick. It doesn't go anywhere. And the best thing about this is that when you use royal icing to ice the roof and put all the candy on it and so forth, and we really deck out our yard, so to speak, with a lot of royal icing, and we use peppermints spaced with Tootsie Rolls to make a fence and so forth. All of that to say, if the house is not secure with the right ingredient to keep it this way, it is not going to work for you. Every single recipe I have ever seen in 35 years of doing this says, put your house together with royal icing. And while I love royal icing and you need it for the yard and for the rooftop, it is not to put your house together with. So that is how we've been doing this, I said, for 35 years. This recipe, construction gingerbread, and the tradition of this has gone to multiple states. Both my girls took it to college. One went to, I gotta take this off the burner so it doesn't, okay. One went to school in Notre Dame, Indiana. One went to school in Denver, Colorado. They took the recipe there. Other family members have been doing it, so it has kind of spread around. So all that to say, it's the right ingredients that make the right kind of gingerbread. And now I know this is going to seem like a stretch, but with the holidays coming, you might want to consider using that same kind of technique, not caramelized sugar, but the right ingredients on your face so that you can put your best face forward for the holidays. The right ingredients will get you better, longer results. And like I said, I know this is a stretch, but if you're like me, before I started using what I'm using, I had a bag of overpromised and under-delivered products. And so just a thought, if you'd like to learn more about that, just message me. But in any event, I hope you got some value out of my gingerbread tips. Drop me a comment. Feel free to like and share, and use hashtag replay if you're going to watch us on the replay. Thanks so much. Journey well and have a great weekend. Adios.